Dramatic contrast can make your images truly cinematic, and mastering shadow and highlight separation is key. How to create dramatic color contrast tones. Open Photoshop and import your photo onto a 2000 pixel canvas, converting it to a smart object. Add a gradient map with high contrast colors, for example, warm highlights and deep, cool shadows. Adjust the gradient midpoint to emphasize depth. Lower opacity for subtlety and mask areas like skin to avoid unnatural coloring. Add a curves layer to increase tonal separation and enhance highlights and shadows. Apply selective color adjustments